So it can be a difficult process to select the right tools. So we surveyed our group to determine what's important to them with regards to evaluating tools for the API lifecycle. And what's coming back is it's truly all about usability and meeting customers where they are. And this has really been backed up by the fact that integration with existing tools is coming in top at 69% this year. That's closely followed by ease of use at 67%, which is the same as the last time we ran the survey, and followed by ease of implementation, which is up 3% at 64% this year. Reusability, cost, and impact on efficiency are also important factors, but their importance is slightly decreasing over time. The number of API styles being supported by tooling is consistent with the last survey. And again, I don't think that's a surprise given the situations that most organizations are now using a mixture of API styles and the complexity of the landscape, as we talked about a little bit earlier. I think overall, organizations seem to be prioritizing API tool factors that make implementation and integration easier and more efficient, while also placing importance on features that can enhance the functionality of their own tools over time. So personally, I think it's a very, very fair expectation that tools you use to deliver APIs should themselves provide APIs to make it as easy as possible to integrate them into your existing IT investments and giving you the freedom to use a mixture of tools regardless of the vendor that you purchase